Hi everyone, Thelma here of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you 5 Dollar Tree DIYs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let me bring the camera down just a little so you can see. Okay, first you will need one of these orange foam pumpkins and a paint pen from the Dollar Tree and a pick from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and used the paint pen, and between each little groove here, you just paint going all the way around. I'm going to show you on one here, right here. See the groove that goes in? That's where you paint. And you just take it and you go all the way up to the stem. That way you will see the lines going through that pick. And you just keep going. You want to keep getting it nice and thick. And have a nice solid line going straight down. And sometimes there's another little groove, but this one doesn't have a big enough one here. But this is what it looks like going all the way around. And now you do it on the bottom. You don't do the bottom, but you do this until you get right there. That way, any noticeable spot that you can see, you just continue with that line going down. And like right here, I didn't go all the way down. You just do that. And then you take the pick. You can either take the stem off or leave it on. And I am just going to stick it right down in there. And spread it out. And this is what it looks like. Let me bring it up a little so you can see. And this is what the finished project looks like. Now if you want, you can also bend the stem of the pick or use your wire cutters and cut the end off about 1/2 inch. And this here will sit flush going down, but I can't with my hands, I can't do it. And here's another one I did off camera that's in metallic. You can see the difference here, but they blend and look the same. Okay. My next project that I have for you, I bought a tin flower pot from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to bring this up so you can see. And you're going to need a lot of flowers, and all these come from the Dollar Tree. And some pebbles that you can get at the Dollar Tree. You get them in a bag, or you can use those little gemstones, which is what I used. I'll show you. Just use some of them. Put them in the bottom, that way it weighs it down. Put all your sunflowers in and adjust them. You can also use one of these blocks, the foam blocks for flowers, but I'm not going to use it, not on this one. And then use some filler, which I'm using these flowers right here that I'm showing you. And start off with this one. Spread them apart. Stick it straight down in the center. Now, if your foam was in it, you'd have to push down a little just to get it to stay. And just spread these apart. And then get your other stem. Now all these flowers came from the Dollar Tree too. Okay, and I do have a pick to put in it. I do believe I'm going to use this one right here. They come two in a pack. I'm just going to get one off and stick it right in here. Just have them peeking out. And there's our second. Easy. This video is called Easy No Glue DIYs. Now our third one, you will need, if I can pick this bucket up, you will need one of these little paint jugs that came from Dollar Tree Plus. They should have them in this year too. And you will need some of these picks. I have 3 each of the white pumpkins, if you can see that, and 3 of the orange. First you put a bag or newspaper or tissue and shove it all the way down in there. Put your pick in, and then do a white one. What I do is rotate, and then do another white one. See, now do an orange one, and a white one. And then the last orange one. And this is what it looks like. Okay, there's the third one. Now you will need one of these gift boxes from the Dollar Tree. And you will need some flowers. I just got these little daisies. Put it in and spread them apart. And then you will need 2 of these white pumpkins, or you can get any color you want. You put it going at an angle from the side. And there's that one. That's the 4th one. Now here is the 5th one, which is another milk jug, but this one is made a little different. And I have some pre-cut flowers. Let me grab them all. I pre-cut the stems off, and you fill it with something, which I'm going to use this one instead, and it's just another with a picture on it, and I put the little bow on myself. turn it back around there. I'm going to use that one. And it has the paper down in it. Just pop your flowers in. Going at different angles and working all the way around. My last two, I think. I'm going to put one over here. And then one right in the center. And this is the last DIY. Okay, I want to thank y'all for stopping by and checking out my channel. If you like today's video, please click that thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. If you're unsubscribed and you like this type of videos and vlogs and hauls, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and select all. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And I have a giveaway contest in effect right now. I'll add more to it down in the description. And you can go to my videos and find the one that I made for the items that you will get if you win the contest. And I show everything that's there. So if you have any questions, go ahead and just leave me a comment. Thank y'all. Have a great day.